Hassan Oktay aroganirie points 12 akiiga thĩ nyabara a timu cia Kakamega Homeboys Nicholas Muyoti na AFC Leopards Andrew Kasambugo. Oktay mweri muthuri mwana ciake cia mathirio hotani maita matatu makigutha Nzoia Sugar na bao 2-1, Sony Sugar na bao 3-2 na Tusker na bao 2-0. Ona kuri uguo kocha ni ugite ati gikoretwo kiri kimera kiritu kuona ati mwana ciake cia Gold makoretwo magitugata thiini wa mbeteka cia CAF Confederation Cup kuria makorirwo magikinya ikereka-ini ria quarter finals.
We won the league back to back 3 times, crown champions, which is very important. It was so difficult, it was so hard. League, as you guys know, league is big marathons, and you in these marathons and this month you have so many injuries, so many back-to-back games.
Mutho wa Jumamothi Hassan ni arigerirwo gutongoria imwana ciake kwa mukirango gaya ya 18 kiharo-ini gia Kenyatta Stadium county-ini ya Machakos thutha wa mbeteka yao na Posta Rangers.
I believe I can do a better job in here. We have to speak to the chairman few things, and we have to solve a few issues in here, and we're going to start from there. But I have another 1 year in Gor Mahia.
Gor mare points 8 mbere ya ngethaniri ao ahakuhe Bandari aria mena points 62 na kuria ligi etigetie gushani 2 niguo ikorwo igeitirihwo. Handu-ini ha metha ya mathako ya Kameme TV retwa rĩa kwa Ng'ang'a Wanyokabi.